Alright friends, we can define multi-catch structure using pipe operator. So what's pipe operator? Pipe operator, this. So when I need them, sometimes we want to catch multiple types of exceptions and perform the same action for all of them. Instead of writing many catch blocks, we can combine them using pipe operator in a single catch block. So let's do that. I define here two catch blocks. So instead of two, I can define it in the same catch block. So I use pipe operator and then I copy these. I cut actually and I paste here. I delete my second catch block and then I delete this E also. So I can handle multiple exceptions by using this logic. If one of them is match, so I got error message by using system.out.println. So let's run my code. I run it. So you see divide by 0 exception appears because first I matched this exception. I cut it and then I passed at the end of the try block. I run my code again. You see index 20 out of bounds for length 10 appears on the screen because my first exception is array index out of bounds exception. So I got my message here. I hope you understand it.